Hi, it's Chester at Blue Pecan Computer Training, and in this video we're going to look at two things. Both relate to a filtered list. First of all, we want to be able to delete the visible records once we've applied a filter, and then we want to delete the hidden records when we've applied a filter. So let's start by deleting the visible records. Here I've got my list, and what I want to do is delete all the cache records. So first of all, I need to apply the filter, and there's two ways I could do that. We could go up to Data here and click on this filter button. We can see here there is a shortcut key, Control-Shift-L. So Control-Shift-L, and then what I would do is I would filter for cache records. And then to delete the records, all I need to do is select them, right click, delete row, delete entire sheet row, OK. And then if I clear the filter, all that remains is the hidden records. OK. So let's move on to the next one, deleting hidden records. Let's apply our filter. And what I want to do is filter for cache records, but I want to delete the hidden records. So one way we can do this is to use the document inspector. To use that, I go to File, Info, check for issues, inspect document. Before you use the document inspector, make sure you save your changes. Well, we'll go for it anyway. And then all I do is click on Inspect, scroll down here, hidden rows and columns, number of hidden rows found 19, remove all, click on Close. Now if we get rid of this filter, you can see that there are no records remaining in the sheet apart from the ones that were visible. So the only caveat to this method is if you have hidden rows on other sheets, then it will also delete those. So one way around that might be to copy the sheet to a new workbook, and you could do that by right-clicking, Move or Copy, New Book, and then to remove the hidden rows in that workbook, and then you could copy it back. Right, let's move on to our next method, and this method is going to use a helper column, which is temporarily going to be in our sheet. And what I would do is I'd apply my filter, so Control-Shift-L, and again I want to delete all but cache records, so I show the records that I want to keep, and I just put a value in the first record and copy it down, and that's going to copy that value down into the visible records. And if I remove the filter and then filter these records to only show the ones that don't display the value I typed in, so the blanks, and then what I could do is select those records, right click, delete, delete entire sheet row, click on OK, and then if I clear the filter, I'm left with the cache records, and I can just get rid of that helper column. Now the last method I'm going to use requires us just to copy the visible records. So I'll apply my filter. Again, I only want cache payments. So what I'm going to do is copy this over here. So just press Enter to copy. Now it looks like I've only copied one record, but that's because I've got a filter applied here. And what I'm going to do is delete this version of the data. And you'll see now that I am left with the cache payments. All I need to do is change the column widths here. All other records are deleted. Okay, so that's all I wanted to cover in this particular video. Hopefully that's useful. If it is, please subscribe, and I'll see you next video.